May 11th, 1998. India detonated test nuclear weapons underneath the shiny sands of the Thar.
Today, at 15:45 hours, India conducted 3 underground nuclear tests in the Pokhran range. These tests conducted today were with a fission device, a low-yield device, and a thermonuclear device.
The tests were conducted in a clandestine manner, without the nuclear hab's world knowing. The test data analyzed by our scientists and others the world over confirmed the test's success.
DRDO and DAE have effectively and efficiently coordinated and integrated their respective technological strength in the national mission to confront the country with the capability to vacate the nuclear threats.
अभिनंदन होना चाहिए वैज्ञानिकों का, उन इंजीनियरों का जिन्होंने पोखरण में जो कुछ हुआ उसे सफलतापूर्वक करके दिखाया है.
The nuclear habs countries had always kept a close vigil on the have-nots to ensure a moratorium on such tests. But the decision of Atalji to conduct the tests not only gave the country the long-sought nuclear deterrence, but his foresightedness also opened new opportunities later on for nuclear energy cooperation with many countries. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's dream has been to see a strong country with stronger deterrence. During his stint as Prime Minister for 13 days, he realized that the window of time was not much for the effective conduct of such an important test. When he came back to power on the 18th of March 1998, he gave the go-ahead to the scientists.
There was a lot of pressure, geopolitical pressure. But he took a decision. India will go ahead with the test. To DRDO team and more importantly atomic energy team. Okay, these two teams, they were myself and Dr. Chidambaram. We met him, he said go ahead for the nuclear tests. Vajpayee ji was responsible for transforming India a nuclear weapon state.
परीक्षण के साथ हमने ये भी ऐलान किया कि हम परमाणु हथियारों का प्रयोग करने में पहल नहीं करेंगे. नो फर्स्ट यूज. हमने ये भी कहा कि जिनके पास परमाणु शस्त्र नहीं है, हम उनके विरुद्ध उनका उपयोग नहीं करेंगे.
Atalji's government in 1998 was a coalition government of 13 parties. Besides Vajpayee ji, L.K. Advani, Defence Minister George Fernandes, Pramod Mahajan, Jaswant Singh, Yashwant Sinha had known about the decision to conduct the tests. Brajesh Mishra, the then Principal Secretary of the Prime Minister, was given the coordination work with the scientists. The work started with much caution after the go-ahead from Atalji. The construction work generally took place in the night to evade the lenses of American satellites. The project was given the code name Operation Shakti. Scientists working in the operation never travelled together. They would wear military clothes and had code names. Former President APJ Abdul Kalam had the code name Major General Prithviraj, whereas R. Chidambaram's code name was Nataraj. 58th Engineers Regiment of Army had given its full support to completing the groundwork. Finally, the moment of reckoning approached. If nuclear power has given an equal platform to the nation in multilateral fora, then our impressive nuclear doctrine of no first use policy has gained us the rightful respect of the world.
Manjeet Thakur's report, DD News.